So yesterday I did a bit of ordering. I've ordered 10 of something. There you go. So quite excited actually, and I found these on a really good website, but I'm not going to be revealing on this video what I have indeed ordered, but it's certainly a nice project for me to get my teeth into. Something that I really want to expand upon, and something that I really do want to create a really nice crop of. So what I'm going to be doing is really focusing on this particular thing and really learning about it and really looking into just getting a decent crop, and I want to get into propagation of this as well. So really looking forward to it, and I'm expecting, won't be getting too much of a crop off of this next year, but in about 3, 4, 5 years time, I'm expecting a really lovely crop indeed. So I'm going to be researching, the correct growing medium for this, and the right way of going about it, because that's what I want to do. So I'm going to be doing an unboxing video on this. There you go, a little bit of a hint there, so you know it's not seeds if I'm talking about unboxing. But yes, looking forward to it. And yeah, so basically I just want to say a few words about feeling like you want to have a go at something. Why not do it? Okay, you might not be able to do it now. You might have to wait until the circumstances change, or make some adjustments, or indeed even plan it for the future, and hopefully indeed it can happen. So a little bit of adjustment is sometimes required, and as indeed patience, because in gardening, as well as many other aspects, patience is indeed a virtue, particularly when you are waiting for something to come into maturity in order to get your crop from, whether it be a runner bean plant or a plum tree or a grapevine or whatever. So there we go. So really looking forward to that. What I've ordered, I've managed to get for a very decent price indeed, or at least it sounds decent. If the what arrives in very good condition. But so if you think about it, 10. So yeah, hopefully going to be a very nice crop. So had a bit of rain today. I hope everybody out there is having a lovely day indeed. And I will see you in the next video. And if you like my work, please feel free to like, share and subscribe. And see you next time.